This is Andy Gooble's BigIron sales representative, here to tell you about a sale on BigIron.com that you do not want to miss. Lyle Hauger of Irene, South Dakota is retiring from farming, and he is offering up a great lineup of equipment on BigIron's September 29th online auction. There will be 57 items on his retirement sale, including 2 John Deere combines, a versatile 400 four-wheel drive with only 795 hours, a 1994 Case IH 7220 Magnum with less than 3,000 hours, and a 2010 GMC pickup with only 4,793 miles. You are invited to stop out by the open house and equipment inspection on Monday, September 27th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., 1¼ miles north of the Mayfield store, South Dakota. Lyle and I will be available to answer any questions about the equipment. A light lunch and drinks will be provided. Again, this is a retirement sale for Lyle Hauger of Irene, South Dakota on BigIron September 29th online auction. Bid online at www.bigiron.com.